Welcome back. Now we'll take how to solve the problems on Coulomb's law. Now first question we are taking, question is, if magnitude of each charge is doubled and distance between them is also doubled, what will happen to force between them? Magnitude of charge is doubled, distance between the charges is also doubled. We have to find the effect on the force. So new force F dash is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. Charge is doubled, 2q1. Other charge is also doubled, 2q2. And distance is also doubled, so 2r whole square. Separate the numerical values. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square, 2 into 2 upon 2 square. This is the initial force F, and this cancels out to be 1. On solving this, you will be getting 1. So new force will be equal to initial force. Similarly, if the question is that one charge is doubled, you can take 2q1. Other charge is tripled, 3q2. Distance is reduced to half, then r by 2 whole square, and then you will proceed accordingly. Now next question, how you will be using the formula. Now question is, 2 point charges q1 5 microcoulomb, q2 10 microcoulomb, and separated by distance 3 meter. Find force between them. So F is equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q1 q2 upon r square. This value is 9 into 10 to the power 9. Charge q1 is 5 microcoulomb. So 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. Micro means 10 to the power minus 6. q2 10 into 10 power minus 6 upon distance is 3 square. This will cancel out. This will be 5 into 10 to the power minus 2 Newton. And nature of the force, repulsion, as the two charges are of same sign. When two charges are of same sign, then the force of repulsion will act between